Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I will be installing this lighted LED power window switch from CarTrimHome. So I will be installing this product to my 2014 Nissan Rogue, which is this car right here. So this product is also compatible with other models from 2014 to 2020. In Canada or in North America, we call this car as Nissan Rogue. In other countries, they call it as Nissan X-Trail. This is also compatible with Nissan Qashqai. So this is the LED power window switch. If you notice on my current window switch, there are no lights and icons on the three switches. Same thing here in the passenger side. At the back passenger side, if you notice, my window switch has no light and icons as well. Okay, so before we install this product, we need to remove this trim right here, this one, and the third one will be this trim. Okay, so when installing this product, you need a trim remover which is included in the package and a screwdriver. Okay, so to remove this trim, you have to start from the top. You need to detach the latches. It's very easy to remove this trim, but be very careful not to break it. Okay, so let's just put this away for now and do the next trim, which is this one right here. Okay, so when removing this one, just start from the bottom. The latches will pop out and just continue all the way to the top. Next is to remove all the screws, just to loosen the handle, so it would be easy for us to access the power window switch. So if you guys want to buy this product, just go to my description and click the link below and use my code to get a discount. This lighted LED power window switch is also available in two colors, the white one and the amber or orange. So the color of the product that we are installing right now is the amber or orange, which is also matched to my interior lights. By the way guys, if you're new into this channel, please follow or subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell icon to keep you updated on my upcoming videos. So now we have just removed all the screws. So let's just put this on the side. So now let's remove my current power window switch. Just be very gentle and careful not to break it. Do not force to remove it because there are latches inside that we need to unhook. So I'm just gonna remove this out of the way so it would be easy for us to access or remove the power window switch. Okay, so to remove this switch, you can either take the harness off or unhook the latches first. So this is the old one that we need to replace, and this is the new one. Okay, so let's put the new switch to its frame and put the harness back on. Don't worry guys, you don't need electrical works right here. This is just a plug and play. If you heard a click sound, that means the harness is already attached to your power window switch. So now let's put this thing back on. Put all the screws and make sure it's nice and tight. Then put your harness back on to your side mirror switch. Okay, so we're done installing the power window switch on the driver's side. Now it's time to test if it's working or not. Let me just switch my engine on. It's very hard to notice the light in the video because it's very bright in here. But I'll be moving to a darker area later. Okay, now let's test it. Now I'm gonna press the switch. Quickly press and release to go all the way down. Now let's put the window up. Now let's try controlling the passenger window. And yes, it's all working. Okay, now let's try locking the doors. Unlock and then lock. And yes, it's all working. Okay, so I'm here at the touchless car wash. So it's darker in here. Now we can easily notice the lights on the power window switch. So as I said in the earlier part of the video, I chose the amber or orange color to match my interior lights. And before I go here, I also installed the other one in the passenger side. So there you go guys. If you like this product or if you want to buy this product, please click the link on my description to see the information on how to buy this product. And if you really want to buy this one, don't forget to enter my code so you can have a discount. So by the way, I would like to thank CarTrimHome for sending this product to me. It's very nice quality and looks like OEM. So there you go guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video.